Hey guys, it's Charity Jones, your girl in real estate. I have a beautiful custom Robinson Ranch estate here on Cliffie Way that I know you're going to want to take a look at. Come with me. Welcome to Cliffie Way. We have 6 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, almost 8,000 square feet on almost 3 acres of property. This is perfect for entertaining your friends, family. You're gonna see a lot of amazing details and amazing things about this house. This is one that you are not gonna wanna miss, trust me. Here we are in your amazing chef kitchen. You can do anything here. Double ovens, you've got Wolf appliances all throughout, wine coolers, whether you want to plan a party, whether you want to cater, anything you want to do, this is the spot to do it in. Look at this great room. I mean, can you even believe it? This room is where you want to do your entertaining. This is where people are going to congregate. You have this beautiful layout, fireplace, television, these beautiful views behind you, which feature the pool and the outdoor barbecue. This is a place that you're definitely going to want to hang out. This is the master suite. Can you imagine waking up to these views every morning? Private fireplace, beautiful, beautiful windows. You have your own private television coming in and out. This is your true oasis here in this home. Look at this master bathroom. Here you have his and hers vanities, his and hers water closets. You've got a beautiful jacuzzi tub with a waterfall feature. You have everything you need to get ready in the morning, including a towel warmer and a coffee bar with a fridge and a freezer. This, you guys, is where you want to get ready for work in the morning, trust me. Welcome to 1,400 square feet of private guest living. This area is perfect for your college student, your friends, your family, any in-laws that you have coming in visit, staying with you, 2 bed, 2 bath, full kitchen, full laundry, anything that they need with their own private entrance and exit. This home really, truly has it all. This is where your friends and family are gonna wanna unwind and relax, right here in the beautiful courtyard at Cliffie Way. These beautiful custom accordion doors come in and out to create this indoor-outdoor living space, custom dining area, custom seating area. This is where you're gonna wanna relax and hang out. Look at this view, look at this pool. This is what it's all about. This, to me, is what sells this house. This amazing view, this amazing pool. It's like nothing else in Santa Clarita. You have your own private oasis out here with this beautiful custom pool, custom jacuzzi. There's no place better to relax and unwind after a long day of work, enjoy a glass of wine, and enjoy your life here at Cliffie Way. Cliffie Way, truly the premier estate in San Canyon and in Robinson Ranch. For private viewing, give me a call. I'm Charity Jones, your girl in real estate.